additive, a single and multifunctional additive, because the traditional approach does not work. Why it does not work? If you go back, the pH is around 10.
My name is Matthias Arnhill. I'm from the Fraunhofer IKTS in Dresden, Germany. Well, interactive is, first of all, the way I present, not just the poster, but also video and the presentation, open presentation by this monitor, and of course also the interactive feature, the demonstrator I brought with me. You can even push it, but once again, there it is. I mean, the hardest part is most of all the poster because of the limited space which is given. But well, the presentation is a good opportunity to put everything you want to show together, even videos. So that's a good opportunity.
I'm Subramanian, Colorado School of Mines. I like the interactive part better because it helps me project the overall picture of the project I'm working on. Specifically, if you look at the whole setup right here, the video right here is how the project all started and the transition into trying to understand what happens, why we are studying this, and trying to understand the bigger picture of the toughening part. So one part of my project relates to toughening, the other part relates to understanding the thermal properties, specifically the thermal expansion behavior of the material, and also trying to fundamentally understand how the transformation happens and what are the effects of doping. So with this whole interactive setup, the whole project becomes a multidisciplinary field, and I can relate to each person that comes and asks me a specific question. If he's interested in the thermal part, I can show him the thermal part. If he's interested in mechanics, I can show him the mechanics. So this is really great. It was not too hard. Probably took a week more of effort than that would require to make a good standard poster, because it's specifically a PowerPoint presentation that I put together for the interactive parts. Yeah, they use PowerPoint, embed videos, and then if you consider this link by itself, it has a link to another presentation that I can use to pull up different information.
Homogeneous cell to do that. The previous is HC4, and I'm also doing the photography. We are talking about
My name is Jessie Angle. I'm from the University of California at Irvine. So after seeing the presentations last night, I decided to redesign my interactive presentation using Adobe Flash software. So my presentation has the capability of scrolling over an image and actually interacting with the simulation software itself, so you can cycle through and see how the different materials were simulated in this work. So you can go ahead, move the mouse around and click any one of these to start the simulation. So I decided to actually make a presentation that was completely interactive with the audience, instead of just cycling through pictures like in a PowerPoint presentation, or having just an image of my poster on the screen. So I also included some printouts of my posters for people to take with them if they were interested on more of the information. So if they didn't have a chance to ask a question, or if they were going to move on, they can take this with them and contact me later. I would definitely do it again. It was a little bit more work trying to make both a poster and a presentation, but it's definitely a better way of getting your research out to your general audience and just the public in general. I feel like I have a unique opportunity to display my research in more of an interactive way, so anybody can come up and actually interact with the way I've done my work. And having these wonderful monitors here, I can easily plug in my laptop or iPad and run my presentation all night long if I need to. cycle.
Is changed by
You can see. Then it comes to the home. Using the same because we are using some things so
this is what this observation is. You've seen this observation. Yeah. So here's the video that I
Hi, my name is Rolf. I'm from the University of Mining Technology in Germany, and I'm here on the ICC4 and presenting a poster about improvement of glass melting refractories. And also I have a presentation here for the interactive forum, and it was a good time to collect all my data from my PhD work, to think about and bring it on the slides, to show the people more detailed information than on the poster. It's also good for all the PhD students to collect their data and think about and have new ideas for the future.